Hello and welcome back to the Bitchin Bowl challenge. What do you got there, Odella?
Bitchin sauce.
It's the bitchin sauce.
Yeah.
We are making a risotto with bitchin sauce with our creamy garlic bitchin sauce.
Yeah.
Deli's been massaging this rice, so it's just about perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we're going to serve it with some delightful...
I love you, Mom.
We're gonna serve it with some delightful beans. I think that they're a little starchier than I'm used to, and I'm gonna rinse them thoroughly, like a lot more than I normally would. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna add the beans to my bean pot, and I'm going to add them with these ingredients, which is kind of a trifecta that I use all the time to make everything taste delicious. I'm gonna share it with you today. Bay leaf. Rind of Parmesan, and then I have garlic, and it's going into a half broth, half water mixture.
I'm having so much fun.
You're having so much fun?
Yeah.
Me too.
Me too.
I said trifecta, but I think that garlic's always a given.
I did.
What's this? Can you smell it?
Yeah.
What does it smell good?
Yeah.
Yeah. So Starr anise. That goes into the broth too.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll rinse these beans. I'll add them to the pot. I'll bring them to the boil. They're gonna take a little while. All right, be right back. Okay, so the beans are going, and I have some yellow onion and a little bit of garlic sauteing nicely over oil and butter. It's gonna be a really creamy dish. Creamy garlic, creamy cream, creamy butter. While that is getting nice and sauteed, I'm going to start shredding some Parmesan cheese. I'm going to start dicing up some sun-dried tomato. Ah! Where'd you come from? I've got some broth that's already warm on the stove, and it's gonna be so good when we add it to the rice and we make a risotto.
Wait, what did it say?
Did you say risotto?
Risotto.
Risotto. It's time to add the rice. Is it massaged enough? Is it gonna be delicious?
I got it.
Okay, let's put the whole thing in. Ready?
Yeah.
Whoa. Oh, how fun.
How fun.
We're gonna add some of this sun-dried tomato. Oh, chopped julienne to perfection, because we're doing this Marry Me-esque style bowl. It's gonna be so tasty. Did you know we have a sun-dried tomato flavor of bitchin sauce? It's delicious. It tastes like a Torino's pizza roll. So much so that we almost named it pizza roll.
Shake, shake.
Shake, shake, shake. All right, while she's shaking that, our rice has been nicely toasted. I'm going to add about a cup of wine. Cheers. Gonna add this wine, gonna deglaze the pan.
Yep, and use the bitchin sauce.
And then we're gonna put the bitchin sauce in there. All right, I've shredded, oh, she's looking at the cheese, she's eyeing it. I've shredded my Parmesan cheese, but it's not ready to go in yet. Basically, we're gonna go into montage mode because we have our heated up broth, and we're gonna add it just like a cup at a time into the risotto until it gets so delicious.
Yummy.
Yeah, and yummy. And then at the last moment, we're gonna add some of our creamy garlic bitchin sauce, some extra cream, this cheese. We'll see how much makes it to the final moment. And then we're going to put our bowl all together. It's gonna be so scrumptious. Okay, it's looking so good. It's actually tasting really good even as is, just with the broth. So,
I'm ready to pour it in.
Okay, baby girl. Odella has decimated our Parmesan stores. I'm gonna restore those and add those, but in the meantime, she's gonna add some cream. Go ahead, honey. Add the cream to the rice. Good job, hon. Yeah. And then we're gonna add about half a cup of the creamy garlic to finish off our risotto. And then the Parmesan, the restored Parmesan. High five. Yeah, babe. What had happened was we made the best risotto on accident.
Yeah, it's ready.
Do you want to have another taste? Did you like it?
Yep.
Yeah?
Yeah, I want more.
Okay, Dewey's eating her snack now of delicious risotto. I'm adding some garlic and some sage to my beans. The beans look beautiful and glorious, and they're gonna be so good. I'm just gonna drizzle them with some of my Chef's Life. You can't see it here. Chef's Life finishing oil. And then I've got this garlic, I've got some sage in there, salt, pepper. Those beans are gonna be perfect. Time for the bowl assembly. We're gonna do the risotto. We're gonna do our mushrooms. I cooked some mushrooms, just, Worcestershire, salt, pepper, garlic, oil, butter. That was pretty much it. And now we just assemble. I'm also gonna add a little bit of vinegar to these beans so that they're nice and bright and poppy, and it's gonna be just so good.
Got the bitchin sauce.
We got the bitchin sauce. Are you ready?
Yep. Ready for it.
Let's do it. Okay, put the bitchin sauce on our bitchin bowl. We have delicious cannellini beans. Whoa! Let's get some more on there too. And then we're gonna add a little bit more parsley.
I want to.
Here, yeah, add the parsley. This looks really good, doesn't it, Dewey Dow?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Okay, are you ready to dig in? You want to have a taste and tell me what you think?
Yep.
You ate a lot of the rice, but I wonder how you'll feel about the whole bowl. Do you want me to feed you or you got it?
I got it.
All right. Oh yeah, take a nice big bite. What do you think?
Hello.
Yummy.
Yeah.
Do you think that this is the most delicious bitchin bowl?
Yeah.
I think so too. I think it's pretty delicious.
Yep. Big delicious.
Yum.
Take cute.
You're going back. What did we say, do? Have a bitchin' day.
Bitchin day.
We're thankful for our bowls. We're thankful for you.
Thank you for our shoes.
Until next time.